Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can restrict the data usage for an app, or essentially cut it off from your connection. Basically, these apps won't be able to connect to your Wi-Fi or your data anymore. That means even if you open these apps, you won't be able to it won't be able to work, like especially online apps. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our settings, which we can find here on our gear button, gear icon. And now let's scroll down and find the apps section, which is this one, and then click on manage apps. Alright, and now let's just find an app that we should restrict from using the Wi-Fi. And let's say Genshin Impact right here. I haven't been playing Genshin Impact in a while, and they haven't sponsored us, so alright, so all you need to do is click on restrict data usage and just uncheck everything. Uncheck all of that, and you know what happens? This app won't be able to use the connection anymore. Yeah, I'm not kidding. And let's try another app just to show you what I mean. For example, Facebook here, I disconnected from my Wi-Fi, and my Wi-Fi is all connected. And here I am on my Facebook. It might look like it's working right now, but later on, I found like there's something just popping out of nowhere, like, hey, we can't connect from you to your Facebook, your connection. And yeah, it just really works. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.